President Draupadi Murmu is attending the 32nd convocation of Mohanlal Sukhalda University at Udaipur in Rajasthan. The date of the e-auction of gifts received by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been extended till October 31st. The Union Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has announced that 25% increase in the wages of spinners and 7% increase in the wages of loom weavers have come into effect from October 2nd. Union Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari has announced that 8 million metric tons of segregated waste has been used in the construction of the national highways. ICC Women's T20 World Cup will begin today in Sharjah, UAE. India to face New Zealand in open match tomorrow.